Welcome back to Cooking with the Snow Dogs, camping edition. We are making French toast over the campfire, but not the traditional way you make French toast. Jamie's still confused by it. We are making kind of, what did Greg call it? Boat French toast? Yeah. We're making a French toast boat.
It'll be interesting.
It'll be interesting. The dogs are here waiting to eat some French toast. Oakley is inside taking a nap. And we are going to show you guys how to make campfire French toast.
That's so bright. First, blind yourself with the sun.
So you can't see anything that you're doing.
Yep. And then you're going to do everything just by the feel of your hands. It really doesn't work. We need the parchment paper on top of it so I can see.
Did you read what we're supposed to be doing? You're like, no.
I kind of gathered.
Yeah. We're making a boat.
It's the first time for us.
It's the first time for us. Yep, we've never done this before. Hey, there's a fork in there. Yeah.
Why isn't it spinning right?
We'll see if it actually works. So we're going to lay out some foil and lay out some parchment paper, and we're basically going to make a boat for our loaf of bread. So now we have to try to get the bread onto the parchment paper and the aluminum foil without falling apart. Or you just stab it.
I was going to.
There you go. Oh, that would work. Put something through the middle.
Now we gotta fold up the sides.
Yep. We're making a boat. A bunch of dogs just showed up over there. Well, you see them dogs over there? And the fire decided to blow this way. I think it's gonna work, sort of. I'm so confused about how this is gonna work, but I guess it's gonna work.
It's gonna be kind of the egg bake theory.
Kind of like an egg bake theory, but not. I know, girls. I know. And there's dogs over there. Okay, changing plans. We're gonna get 2 pieces of tinfoil, the same length, and we're gonna go over it. We're gonna put them together and then go over it because they were just too short. So now we're folding the 2 pieces of tinfoil together at one end, and then we're gonna open it up so that we have one great big piece of tinfoil, which will make our boat a little bit better shape. Look, now we have a giant piece of tinfoil. Can I help you? Can I help you? Yeah? Yeah? You don't say. What else? What else? Oh, you just want to see what's going on, huh? Like, I just want to see what's going on. Alright, so that's a little bit better. So now we're going to fold this up and turn it into a boat. It'll be a boat. We've got more space over here, so maybe slide it your way a little bit. I think we got this, sort of. Okay, we have our boat. That looks like that's going to work pretty good. And now we're going to mix together all of the French toast stuff. So we're going to need a big bowl and a whisk, and we're going to need 8 eggs in the bowl. Cracking a bunch of eggs.
Didn't get a shell, did I know?
Oh yeah, I guess I could have got a different bowl. It's smart to crack them in another bowl, but we're camping. We'll just fish them out if we have to. Next, you need 1/4 cup of milk, which I don't normally bring camping, but I did this time just so we would be able to make this stuff. And then we're going to need a teaspoon of cinnamon, but we're just going to put some cinnamon in there. So put some cinnamon in for however cinnamony you want your French toast. That's probably good. So we're mixing all this stuff together until it gets kind of frothy, and then we're going to pour it over the bread. Oh, we got one more step before we do that. But first we're going to mix this together until it's frothy. So we left this a little bit loose, and what we're going to do is we're going to take some of these strawberries, we're going to stick them in between the bread here. We're also going to put a couple on top. Just a few, and then when they're all done we can add more. Alright, so I'm kind of stuffing just 1 or 2 in the top of each. It's kind of going to, see how it's spreading out the bread a little bit? That's so when we pour the egg mixture over top of it, it's going to have a place to go. And we're kind of just spreading them out. I might actually go back and add more than one on some of these other ones. So
extra strawberries, and then we'll add a couple strawberries on top. And
it'll be delicious. It'll be amazing. Wow, that one's huge. I don't know where it went. It disappeared. Okay, so we have our frothy egg mixture. We tightened up the outsides of our boat a little bit, and now we're gonna go ahead and pour the egg mixture over top of this slowly. That looks pretty good.
Ah, go in.
What, are you mad? Here, will this make you happy? It doesn't have any dip. That's what I thought. That's what we're eating. Oh.
Okay.
That looks pretty good. So now we're gonna wrap the aluminum foil over top of it, and then we are going to set it on the fire. So we got another long piece of aluminum foil. We're gonna wrap it over top of this. Okay, we got it wrapped, and now it's time to set it on the fire. You can actually do this on a grill too if you don't have a fire to do this over top of. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the fire on our awesome little grill stand thing here.
Think that's close enough?
I don't know. We're gonna let it cook for about 40 minutes, open it up and see if it's done. Hopefully it'll turn out good. If not, we'll make something else. We just started off the fire. It's been 40 minutes over there cooking on top of the fire, and now we're gonna check it. If it's soggy, we're gonna put it back on. If it's not, then it's pretty much done. Oh, look at that steam coming out of there. Is it soggy? That's a little soggy.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna put it back on for a little bit. So because ours was pretty much done on the bottom, but not on the top, and the egg mixture isn't really runny anymore, we actually just flipped ours over and we're gonna cook it for a little bit just like this. Check that out, it is done. So for about the last 10 to 15 minutes, we flipped it over, and that got the top done, nice and crunchy.
It's crunchy now.
Oh, this is gonna be amazing.
All right, let's flip it off with my clipboard.
There you go. Don't judge us by what we're using to get it off the fire.
I didn't have a spatula that big.
All right, let's try this. So it looks pretty good. I mean, it looks like French toast. Definitely can tell that it didn't totally all get in the middle, but I think once we cut it all up and smash it together, it's gonna be, hey, like Jamie's doing. Cut it all up and smash it all together and pour some syrup on it. It's gonna be amazing. All right, let's give it a try, see what it tastes like. All right, Greg, what do you think?
The parts that got soaked with towards the bottom and some places on the edge are really good. The other parts are kind of bready. And that's not Michigan syrup.
No, that's not Michigan syrup. Sorry. I meant to grab that. What do you think? Good stuff? Yeah. I think mashing it all together is the good idea.
With the strawberries inside,
Yeah?
and they cooked, those are really good.
Yeah, see, maybe we should have done more strawberries inside. So, if you're going to make this, put more strawberries inside. And maybe even drizzle it with syrup, you think?
Oh.
That's
Maybe.
going to make it, like, crystally, though, so... I don't know. Definitely put more fruit inside. I gotta put syrup on mine. That's pretty good for just throwing a loaf of bread on the fire and throwing some stuff in it. I mean, I guess you could do it in a pan, but... Pretty
Either
good.
way,
I like
if you
it.
don't have a pan.
If you don't have a pan, that'll work perfect. Good stuff.
Yep, that was pretty good.
You're gonna get some in a minute. Wanna try the French toast? Hey, gotta take it nice. Good stuff? She's like, yeah, give me more. Wanna try the French toast, shall we? You got it? We gotta give Oakley a piece too. Miss Oakley had a long day. She's been in here napping since we got back from our little trip earlier. Let's see if we can wake her up with some French toast. She'll think it's a dream, and then it won't be a dream. Hey, look. Whoa. Would you like to try some French toast? It's like waking up in the morning and getting breakfast. You got it? You have a good nap? She's like, yeah, and I woke up to French toast. Good stuff? Yeah. So there you have it, you guys. French toast while camping. It was pretty good. It turned out pretty good. You can also make this on the grill if you want to. There will be a link down in the video description below to our website, which will have all the ingredients and everything listed out for you if you guys want to know how to make it. Besides the fact that we just showed you, that we don't have to try to write it all down. If you guys are new to this channel and you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends to help us grow the audience. As always, thanks so much for watching, thanks for subscribing, stay positive, dream big, and we will see you again soon. Let us know what you think about the camping videos. If you think we should do some more food camping stuff. Because we do like camping and we do like making food while camping. Bye guys!